Hi guys, Marissa with Bilotti Home Cleaning Services. Today I'm just coming at you showing you how I clean out a refrigerator. So right now these are the products that I'm using. I have a heavy duty citrus degreaser, vinegar, and some Dawn. So, and I just have a bucket here with some towels in it and some hot water, a little bit of orange clean, a little bit of vinegar, and the dish soap. And so this is the inside of the fridge. It does need cleaned out pretty good, which is the purpose of this video. So I already emptied the fridge out and I put the stuff into a cooler just in case. So now we are going to remove those crisper drawers and anything that does come out of the fridge. Sorry, try to get you situated. Alright, so first we are going to remove the drawers or the glass, whichever comes out first. Okay, so now I have the glass, and you want to hand wash that. I did, however, already wash the shelves so they could dry. And the other drawer. Okay, so I already, like I said, emptied out the fridge. And now I'm just going to spray a little bit of orange cleaner. That's in a spray bottle. This is straight, it's not watered down whatsoever. For the fridge, this works perfect because this stuff is not baked on, but it's set on. So I'm just going to take my towel out of my water and start wiping it down. As you can see, it comes off very easy with the orange cleaner. The Dawn and the vinegar also help, and since I'm using vinegar and not bleach, it is not harmful. Vinegar also gets rid of the smell, and that's great if you have lingering smells in your fridge. And you just want to make sure that you get around the sides, the seals, the bottom of the shelves. And as you can see, all of this is coming off relatively easy because of the hot water, the vinegar, and the orange clean. Orange clean is also good for your microwaves with baked on grease, and a good oven cleaner without using chemicals is Dawn and baking soda and vinegar. Use the vinegar and the baking soda first, and then I just come back with a sponge, pour the baking soda down, spray it with some vinegar, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and all you have to do is wipe it down. A little bit of scrubbing, but not much. Okay, so just going to dip my towel in my bucket again, rinse it, and come back over this door again, just to be sure that I got everything. And make sure you get under those doors also. Okay, so now we're going to start the inside of the fridge, and I like to start at the top and work my way down. Make sure you don't get that light bulb wet though. And I'm just being careful to hit all of the ledges, because it's not clean if not. Okay, and so now I got most of the stuff out of the fridge. There is still a little bit more, and I'm going to get a clean towel and dip it back in my bucket of water. And then you also want to make sure that you get inside of the little slidey parts where the drawers slide into. Sometimes if the crevices are really small, a Q-tip works to get into them, or just the side of your towel. Okay. So, this is just the inside of the refrigerator, but as you can see, I cleaned all that, and then the inside of the fridge, nice and clean again. So now all we have to do, actually, since I already cleaned the shelves, we can put those in there. Oops. Try not to drop them on the ground. Okay. So now we have one shelf in. Let's get this other shelf in. I always like to make sure that I'm leaving enough room for the milk. And that means that we gotta put it on this one. Okay. So now we just need to wash these out. And so a lot of these are hand wash only, so I do not put them in the dishwasher. And the glass also, I will just hot water, same solution, orange clean vinegar, Dawn, works miracles. Okay, so make sure you get the outside of it also. Rinse it out. And the glass. Then we're just going to flip it over and also wash the other side. And once again, you want to make sure you get inside of this railing. Alright, so all we need to do now is just dry our stuff. It is important to dry it, because if not, you're going to get everything soaked. And then when you go to put your stuff back, it will be laying in a puddle of water. Dry the glass. Okay, so let's start to put this back together now. Okay, so we got the fridge with the shelves in it already. Now we're going to put this shelf in. And our drawers. Oh, uh-oh, that was the one I didn't dry yet. Now I got a wet floor. Alright, and that shelf, or I'm sorry, that bin, and finished product. So, there you have it, guys. Marissa with Bilotti Home Cleaning Services. Stay tuned for the next video.